Hello! This user manual guide will show you how to test our IPv6 packet structure in Kytos. On your machine, please open up the terminal. Go to where the Python OpenFlow repository is on your specific machine. Enter in the command line sudo python3-m unit tests.test_foundation.test_network types_types.test IPv6-v. Please make sure to enter the correct sudo password for your specific machine. The results should show that the testing of the IPv6 pack is okay, and the test of the unpack of IPv6 binary packet is also okay. This shows that you have done the test correctly. Thank you for watching this tutorial.